I found a gym, a hidden gym. Check this out. A hidden gym down here. Check this out. Findyourdocs.com. 1 year registration for this website address is going to cost me £7.27 per year. Okay, that's just around $11 or $12. Okay, now can you afford $11 or $12 to buy a website address just like this? Can you? Of course you can. What's stopping you? All right. So $12 domain for 1 year. The domain sounds good. Okay, findyourdocs.com. Okay, if someone's looking for a document or hosting documents and he doesn't know where to go, you could just tell him, hey, go to my website address, findyourdocs.com. Findyourdocs.com. Yeah, but check this out. I'm buying this domain for 1 year for just $12. This will reflect according to your country. So in your case, if you're from US, it will be US dollars. If you're from India, it will be Indian rupees. If you're from Dubai, it will be dirham. Okay, so it will be according to your currency. So check this out. Just say I bought this domain for $12. What I'm going to do after I buy this domain, I'm going to sell it. So I'm going to list this domain website address for free. That's right, for free. No strings attached. Once I bought this domain, I'm going to list it for free. Where am I going to list it? I can list it on the same website, Namecheap, or I could list it on a very high, reputable website called GoDaddy. So check this out. I just went to GoDaddy with this domain and I said, let me just check the price. What's the current price for this domain? What do I mean by current price? I'm buying it for $12, but what price can I sell this domain for? Is there any actual figure for me that I can estimate, that I can say, okay, let me buy this domain and then let me sell this off? So when I went to GoDaddy, look at this, look what GoDaddy is telling me. I can sell this domain for £1,491. That's the market price value of this domain. Think about it. Think about it. I think this is still not digesting. Check this out. I am buying that same domain website address for just $12. £7.27. Okay, British pounds. And I'm selling it for £1,491. I'm listing it on GoDaddy, and I could put this price on because this is the current market price value for this domain, findyourdocs.com. Can you see? Now imagine having 10 domains like this, 20, 30, 50, 100, 200, 500, 1,000 domains like this, which you purchased for less than $7 and put it for sale for over $1,000. Think about it. Think about it. Okay, now you can do this manually. Keep on searching here, just put in anything here. Okay, I could just come here and put find your, let's just do one, find your, let's just go random. Okay, let's see if this domain is available. It is. Find your FD. What is FD? Nothing. It's a blank word. Okay, but if I come here, all right, I come here and I go back to GoDaddy and I say, okay, let me just type this and let me see if it's worth anything before buying this domain. And there you go. It's telling me, yes, this is worth, because it's got a high value keyword. All right, £1,336. Okay, but if I put in find your pdfk.com, all right, because PDF is not going to be available. All right, your and find, that's a high value keyword, so I could put this for sale as well. All right, but if I put, let's say, let's check this out. Okay, so someone has took that domain. Alright, and that's my name. It's quite unbelievable. Alright, so let me just do another one. Let's check this one out. Check this out. It's a high value query that has an average sale price of 2,800.co.uk. Alright, so yes, so you can do this manual. But what about if I gave you a program and a system that gives you hundreds of domains every single week, which you can buy for $7 and flip it for thousands of dollars? Okay. You can get access to this program and system that gives you all these domains. Check this out, check these out, check all these domains out, okay? Check all these domains. These are all the domains. You just come here and then they give you the software which you can just check the valuation of this domain, and then if you see that the domain is very, very cheap or Namecheap, but then when you go to GoDaddy or you go to other website which is recommended within this program and you see that it's worth thousands of dollars, you could purchase that domain and flip it for free. And this program not just does give you all these hidden gems twice a week, but it also provides you with all the training on how to buy the domain, how to list it for free, and how to start flipping these domains for thousands of dollars. And on top of that, they have a software in place where they give you all these domains every single week, twice a week, and so you can go out there, purchase one of the domains. So let me give you a quick example. Just say I wanted to go for this one, so let me just check if this is available. I'll go to Namecheap, okay, and I'll check if this is available. I don't think this is going to be available, doesn't seem like it, but let's just check it, okay. Alright, it is available for £5, which is $7. Let me see what's the valuation of this domain. So if I come here, the marketplace estimation of this domain is $4,898.90. This is what I'm interested in the auction as well. I am not interested in the brokered sale, which means if I buy this domain for $7, I could flip it for $4,890 because that's the marketplace estimation. Now, you're not just getting one domain like this, you are getting hundreds of domains like this every single week. If you want access to this program right now, website popping up right on your screen, go to this website address right now, because I don't know how long this is going to be available. This is going viral. Everyone is jumping on this because it's an opportunity, just like the crypto opportunity came out 15 years ago. So you don't want to get left out on this. Get on this. Watch the video. It's a 15-minute free video. Go to this website address right now. Watch this 15-minute free video. After the 15-minute free video will finishes, the button will pop up under the video. Just click on that button and get on board. I promise you're not going to be disappointed. This is a chance for you to get on something that's moving very fast, very quickly, and going very, very viral all over the internet. If you miss out, you miss out big. It's gone. It's never going to come back. Remember, opportunities like this never ever come back. So this is your once in a lifetime opportunity to get on something that is so powerful, so huge, and that could potentially change your life forever. Link popping up right on your screen. Go to this website address right now and get access to this right now. I'm part of this. I love it. That's why I'm recommending it. Okay. If it was something not good, I would not recommend it. You should know me by now. If you've been on my channel for more than 5 years, you should know me, the type of person I am. I am completely against time wasting, BS, products, etc. I'm a very firm believer in promoting very good high value products and telling my customers that always go for the legitimate products. Do not promote any time wasting, okay? So this is something that's come and it might be shut down anytime soon. So you have an opportunity right now to change everything for yourself.